What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to today's very special video. Today we're going to talk about how to master Google Maps for $1,000 a day in profits. Okay, this is insane, and I'm going to share with you exactly how it works. I have stuff here. I have sauce that I'm going to share that nobody else is sharing with you, and I've been doing this using Google Maps, making money with it for so long, like way back to like 2010. And if you follow what I break down, you're going to be able to replicate this and start seeing results. You can see here a bunch of payments coming in on my Stripe account. You can see here today already, we are at, I clear this out every day, we are at $1,458. So you can see I've actually received more than that, but we do clear this balance out pretty much daily. So I want to break all this down for you. And before we get started, I do need you to do three things, okay? Number one, I want you to comment on this video and let me know if you like this style of content, because if you do, I'm going to keep doing more of it. I'm trying to stay really consistent on the YouTube grind because I like when you guys get value out of this stuff and it keeps me motivated to keep going. Number two is you're going to want to follow me on Instagram. My handle there is @HelloPaulJames because I post more content there. Different content than I post here. So if you want to like really get the most out of everything, go do that. And then number three, this one's really important. If this stuff resonates with you, then you're going to want to visit the link in the description of this video once it's over, because I have some templates and stuff at that link that's going to make this whole process a whole lot easier for you. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get into mastering Google Maps to get to $1,000 a day in profits. This really breaks down to about three simple steps, and rather than kind of explain them to you, I think we should just get right into it and break it down. Again, I'm going to be revealing some sauce here that no one else is sharing with you, including this secret search string, which I'm going to show you how to use in this video, which is how I'm able to pull in payments like this. Okay, but with that being said, let's jump right in. So what we want to do first off is we're going to have to settle on a niche that we want to make money in. And Google Maps, if you aren't familiar, is the thing on Google that shows up right here, okay? It shows the map pack. I'm not talking about like on your phone, like the GPS Google Maps, although it is connected. It is part of this. What we're actually focused on is business owners that are listed on Google Maps. So you can get this to pop up basically by searching for any type of business. I don't care if you're searching for pizza, if you're searching for a hotel, if you're searching for tree trimmers, roofers, any of those types of things. Now, I really like industries where people provide a service to someone. And I don't mean like restaurants or hotels, like sure, that's a service, but that's a little bit different. That's more like hospitality, right? I'm talking about things like chiropractors, dentists, tree trimmers, landscapers, plumbers. I've just given you a lot of examples. Anything where, someone needs something done or they have a home and they need work done on their home. Think like that, okay? And you don't have to think outside the box here. You don't have to think of something that nobody else has thought of. That's not what this is about. In fact, sometimes when you try to think of something nobody else has thought of, it doesn't work. Okay, but what we want to do is we want to pick one of those and we want to just pick a city in the area. Now, I do tend to like to focus on cities that aren't super large and populated. So like if I were to look on the map here and scroll around, we can see Milwaukee is the big city around here because it's bolded. And by the way, you don't have to be from this area to do this. Like you could be in India and still target the United States and target cities in the United States, but just use the map and scroll around and just find one of these smaller cities like Brown Deer, Menominee Falls, okay? Or I did Cedarburg in this example. So what we want to do once we find a niche and a location that we are set on is we're just going to go to Google. We're going to type it in. We're going to scroll down to the Google results, but we're going to scroll to the map listings. And what we want to do is we want to click the option that says more businesses. It might say more places too, just depending on what niche you're searching, because it is different on every single one. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to pick out someone who's not in the top three. So it can be helpful to actually open this up in a new window, like actually right-clicking and clicking open link in new tab. And the reason why is because these results kind of switch up just a little bit. But what we want to do is we want to take note of, we're not going to pay attention to this sponsored one because they're paying for a spot. And that doesn't really matter. Like, we want to focus on the organic, the people who are here because Google thinks they're the best choice to be here. Not the people that paid to be here, but the people that Google said, hey, You guys did everything right. Customers must really like you. We're going to put you here. We want to focus on these three, and we want to find someone who's right outside of these three. So we have essential tree and plant care, we have affordable tree, and we have Lanza. So we're going to scroll down and find those three right here. So these are the three that are showing up here, right? So we want to go right below them. Maybe Ward Tree Service, Brants, or Tremendous. Okay, we want to focus on probably one of these three. And the reason why is because they are right outside of the top, which means they're not getting any of the business that is showing up here. Someone else is getting all of that business. So the idea here is if we're able to put them up into one of these top three spots, which shouldn't be very hard to do because they're already so close, right? The closer we can get, find someone that's right outside the top three, the less work we're going to have to do to put them there and to keep them there. By the way, if you don't know how to do this stuff, it's really easy. I'm going to share with you how to do it in this video, so stick around. Also, I do have a free urgent training I'm holding in the description of this video that goes over all this stuff in detail. So if you need even more help, definitely go check that out too. It also comes with some done for you templates and things to just really make this easy. But anyways, what we want to do is we want to pick one of these, and the idea is we just do just a little bit of work just to boost them up. They start getting a bunch of phone calls, and they want to pay us every month to keep those phone calls coming in because we help them, right? So let's just say that we're going to work with Ward Tree Service because they're right outside of this top three. How are we going to get them there? Okay, let me show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse engineer one of their competitors. Okay, so we're going to reverse engineer one of their competitors. Let's just say Affordable Tree Service. Okay, we know that they're already in the top three. So what we need to do is we need to figure out what sites they're listed on. So one of the ranking factors to get someone there is the other websites that they're listed on. I'm talking about directory sites, things like Yelp, things like Merchant Circle, okay? All we need to do is go and create Ward Tree Service some accounts on those other websites. We go create them a Yelp account. We go create them a Merchant Circle account. And what's going to happen is Google kind of considers that like a vote. You know, when they have these sites that they're listed on, they boost them up and place them in the top three. So we can actually figure out exactly what sites we need to get them listed on by looking at what their competitors listed on. And that's where this secret search string comes in. Okay, now this is the sauce. No one tells you about this. No one knows about this. This is something that I know because I've been doing this for years and I have years of experience doing this and how I make money doing this. Okay, so I'm giving you the sauce right here. What you want to do is you want to take that business, grab their phone number, so 262-375-1555. Okay, and you're going to put it in quotation marks. 262-375-1555, right? That's what it was? Yes. And then we're going to do minus in URL, and we're going to put their website after it. Okay, we're going to do this without the www dot though. So their website's affordabletreewisconsin.com. So that's what we're going to do. affordabletreewi.com. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this or write it down. Just pause the video and write it down. Okay, we want to do the phone number, no parentheses. Okay, we don't want to do like the little area code parentheses. We want it to just be hyphens like that in quotation marks with a space, then minus in URL, the colon, and then affordabletreewisconsin.com. Okay, we're going to hit search. This is going to show us literally all of the sites that we need to get Ward listed on. Now, we might not have to get them listed on all of them, but this is a good start, right? So we'll just go and see if Ward is listed on Yelp. If they're not, we're going to create them a Yelp listing. We'll go and see if Ward is listed on MapQuest. If they're not, we'll create them a MapQuest listing. If they're not on Facebook, we'll create them a Facebook account. And you can see it's that easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach out to Ward and we're going to tell them, hey, Ward, we want to help you get listed in the top three because these people over here, Essential Tree and Affordable Tree Service, they're getting all your business, okay? We're going to put you there. We're going to get you one of those number three spots, and all you need to do is pay us $1,000 a month to do that, and we'll get you there. Now, if you want, you can take maybe a small down payment, do some work ahead of time for them to prove that you know what you're doing. That's a good way to do it. Again, if you need help with this stuff, I do have templates on how to reach out to people and get them to say yes to this service in the first description of the video. So go click that if you need more help and you can get access to those. It's an urgent training I'm holding that's going to show how to reach out to these people. But in a nutshell, that is it. Okay, this isn't rocket science. It's really easy, and that's exactly how you can master Google Maps for $1,000 a day profit. So to recap here, step one, we're going to pick a niche and a location. Step two, we're going to identify a business in that niche and location that fits the criteria for this simple service, just someone just right outside of the top three. And then step three, we're going to reach out to them. We're going to offer to help them increase the amount of customers they get from their Google Maps listing. And we're going to just go and get them listed on those other sites, charge them $1,000 a month for it. Their calls are going to start going up. It's going to start going crazy for them. And they're going to happily pay you month after month so that you start getting these recurring payments coming in. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below. Please check out the link in the description if you want more help, you want access to those templates. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at HelloPaulJames. Till next time, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.